Hello everyone, welcome back to the series of Top 21 LeetCode Problems. My name is Puneet Kansal, and in this series we are trying to cover the complete DSA. We are trying to cover the complete DSA with just 21 problems. So this series is specially designed for those people who want to build their career in machine learning, cloud computing, web development, app development. They are in different field, but they want to cover the complete DSA with minimal number of problems. So this series will definitely help you. These 21 problems which I'm taking in this series, these are not my created problems. These are Mang company problems. So definitely this series will help you to prepare the complete DSA with minimal effort. Fine, okay. So I'm now trying to share my screen. Meanwhile, you people please confirm. Please confirm if I'm properly audible or not. I'm sharing my screen. Write in the chat box, everybody. Come on, write in the chat box if I'm properly audible or not. And I'm sharing my screen meanwhile with you people. Fine, okay. So this is the topic for discussion today. Matrices. One thing is sure, after today's session, you will be start feeling with this topic matrices. You will feel that okay, yes, I know matrices. Okay, I know matrices. I will start with the introduction. Okay, don't worry, I will start with the introduction. Then we will see, okay, Mang company problem. Then we will see the Mang company problem. I will share some practice questions also. I will share some practice questions with you people, so you can try this practice question after this session. Fine, okay. Sapra, hello everybody. Hello Sapra, nice to see you here. So let's start with the matrices. No prerequisite, nothing. Just come here, enjoy, learn matrices for Mang companies. This course is for Mang companies only, and no prerequisite, nothing. If there will be some prerequisite, you can tell me, sir, you are lying. Okay, there is nothing, no prerequisite. We will cover each and everything over here itself. Fine, okay. So this is our 11th session, although this is our 11th session in this series, but nothing, no prerequisite. Just you keep replying. So that I will ask some questions and you need to reply. That is the only prerequisite. We have already covered these previous sessions. If you want to get access of all the material like practice questions or PPT, then you can register for this free course. You can go to the description and you can register for this free course. Okay, and you will get the practice questions. Those are important, believe me. Take those practice questions. Who's stopping you? Take those practice questions. These are created practice questions which I'm providing with every lecture. And you can see here, this syllabus is complete DSA itself, starting from mathematical problem going till dynamic programming. Everything is covered. So take the PPT and practice question by registering this free course. Fine, okay. So let's start with the matrices now. Let's start with the matrices. Matrices means multi-dimensional array. Matrices mean 2D array, actually 2D array. Okay, 2D array. So first of all, let me tell you fixed size multi-dimensional array. About how we can define the fixed size 2D array. Let's see in C++. Very simple, we know. In C++, array name, this is the array name, this is the data type, this is the data type, this is the array name, and this is the size of the array. So here we have, this is the row number and this is the column. How many columns are there? 4 column in this 2D array or in this matrix. How many rows are there? 5 rows. And how many total elements? 5 into 4, 20 elements are there. Okay, so this will be a matrix of, I'm talking about this one. This will be a matrix of 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, and 4 columns, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so you can write 0 1 2 3, 4 columns, and rows 1 2 3 4 5 rows are here. So total number of elements here is 5 into 4, 20 elements we can store in this 2D array. Fine, okay, nothing big deal over here. We can define 3D array also. This is just the 3D array, just to show you that, okay, in this 3D array actually you can see that, okay, this is the number of matrices. Here we have many six matrices, number of matrices. This is 3D array, 3D array. Okay, so like one matrix, two matrix, three matrix. So like most of you are from AI background, you must be knowing the tensors. Tensors are itself is a no 2D 3D arrays, 4D arrays we call as the tensors. Okay, so it's a 3D array. And what this first, that what this first thing is, this is showing me how many matrices are here. So I have like six matrices. And what is the size of each matrix? 4 by 8. 4 by 8 is the size of each matrix. Okay, so we have six matrices of 4 by 8 in this 3D array. Fine. Okay, just for information. And if somebody asks us how many elements are there in this 3D array, simply multiply 6 into 4 into 8. This much elements are there in this 3D array. Fine. Okay, so this is the fixed size multi-dimensional array. These are the fixed size multi-dimensional arrays. How to define in Java? This is in C++ and C in Java. This is how we define the fixed size. Fixed size. The size is fixed. We cannot change it at runtime. We cannot change the size of these two array, 2D array, 3D array at runtime. Okay, so this is how we declare fixed size array in Java also. Fine. Okay, and dynamic size array. Dynamic size array in C++, we have vectors for that. Vectors are dynamic size array in C++. So this is a 2D array. Okay, vectors of vectors, array of array, 2D array of what type of data this will store? Integer type. And in Java, we use the array list. Array list as the dynamic array in Java. So array list of array list is making 2D array. That is making 2D array. And in Python, okay, very easy. That is list of list. List of list. You can see sub list are also there inside. So this is a list of list. So this is also a dynamic size. What do you mean by dynamic? We can increase the size and decrease the size of the array at runtime. At runtime, we can increase and decrease the size of the array. That's it. So we will now solve one man company problem by using this 2D array. By using the 2D array, let's solve one man company problem. Very interesting problem. You will love it actually. So this problem is asked in media.com, media.net. Okay. So this will help you in your life also. Maybe you have many girlfriends, let's suppose. Okay, here the problem is like this. You have many queens and they are attacking you. You are a king. You are a king and there are many queens. Means maybe girlfriend or maybe you have many wife. So you have many queens and they are going to attack you. So you need to find out which queen is attacking you directly. That's it. So like here in this picture, you can see this is you. This is you. You are sitting over here in this 8 by 8 chessboard. In this 8 by 8 chessboard, you are here. Okay. And these are your girlfriends. This is first one. This is another one. This is another one. There are many girlfriends you have. Okay. Many girlfriends you have. Or the people who are married, maybe they have many wives. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now you need to find out which of the girlfriend will actually attack you directly. Okay. So let me tell you one thing, how a queen can move. So, okay, this is a queen. So let me try to make another queen. Here is a queen. Okay. So it's don't look like a queen, but still okay. Just believe that this is a queen. Okay. Just like we believe just in our real life also. Just believe here also, this is a queen. And how this can attack actually, this can attack the horizontally. This can move horizontally and this can attack vertically. This can attack vertically and this can attack diagonally also. Means this is just same as our real life queen. Huh? This can attack anywhere. So like diagonally also. And okay, this can attack horizontally in all these cells vertically and here diagonally. Here also she can attack and here also she can attack. Okay, so now you are standing over here. You are standing over here. So let me erase it first. You are standing over here. You need to find out which queen will directly attack you directly. So see, this queen will directly attack you diagonally. She can attack, and this queen will directly attack you, and this queen will directly attack you. These three queens will directly attack you. These queens are standing behind the other queens, so they cannot attack directly. Directly they cannot attack. Okay, although they can also attack, but that this other queen is in the in between, so that's why they cannot attack. So likewise this can also attack because they can attack diagonally, but okay, some other queen is standing in between, so they say that okay, this is my chance, you please stay, I am more than enough. Okay, she say that I am alone is enough, so you two do not need to come. So who is directly attacking, we need to find out. That's it. This is the problem. This is your real life problem. Okay, this is your real life problem, and take the solution today. Take the solution from me today. So let me read this problem statement. We have zero indexed 8 by 8 board. So this is the zero index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 by 8. So 0 to 7. This is also rows are also 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can say 2D matrix. This is your 2D matrix. Okay, this is a 8 by 8 chessboard given to us. Okay, and you have multiple black queens, and you are one white king, you are the one white king, and multiple black queens you have now. So this is what is given in the input they are talking about. They are saying that okay, you have a 2D array, 2D array queens. Yes, we have a 2D array queens which is having the position of the queens, like one queen is at 0, 0 position. Yes, another queen is at 1, 1 position. Yes, another queen is at 2, 2 position. Yes, this is giving me the position of all the queens. This is 3, 4, 3, 4 here. So this is just giving me the position of all the queens here. Fine. Okay, and the position of king is also given. The position of king is also given. Where is king? At 3, 3. So here you can see at 3, 3 king is here. So we are just provided the position of queens and king, and they're asking us which queen. They're asking us which queen, which black queen will directly attack the king. Which, so here this queen and this queen and this queen. These three queens will attack directly. No other. So let me erase and show you once again. This queen, and this queen. Other queens cannot attack directly because some other this queen is already standing in between, so they cannot attack. Fine. Okay, and what is the answer? We can reply like this is the coordinate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 2, 2, 2, one queen. This queen will attack. Fine. Okay, 2, 2, 2. This is our output. 3 to 4. 3 and 4 coordinates. Yes, this queen will attack, and one is this 4 and 4. Yes. So we need to tell which queen will directly attack the king. That's it. That's it. Okay. So how many people are able to understand the problem statement? Please write +1 in the chat section so that we can move on and think about the solution. This will definitely will help us to understand the matrices. Write in the comment section if you are able to understand the problem statement. Write in the comment section if you are able to understand the problem statement. You have many queens and they are trying to attack you. You need to find out which one is directly attacking you. Okay, you cannot handle all of them all together. So you just think, you are just checking which is attacking you directly. So Sapra is saying that is clear. Fine. Okay, the question is clear. Now let's think about the solution. Okay, so here is the solution. Let's see. I'm giving one approach from my side. Okay, you please verify at your end, is this work or not? Is this will work or not? Please verify. Utsri also is saying +1. Okay, so girls are very easy to, they can easily understand the situation. Fine. Okay, so here is the king. Okay, now we need to find out this king need to find out, okay, which queen will directly attack. So the queens which are in this column, they can attack the queen, they can attack the king. The queens which are in this row, they can attack the king. And queens which are diagonally also there, they can attack the king. Right diagonal and this other diagonal also, left side, this one. So at all these places if there will be a queen that can attack the king. Okay, so what we can do to solve this problem? Very easy actually. What we can do, we can check in all these directions. How many directions are here? Okay, this is one side is this upside, Upside he can check, okay, is there any queen over here? Till the end of the matrix he can check, okay, till the end of the matrix he can check, is there any queen? Immediately he find the queen, he will say that yes, this is the queen who will attack me. He will not search for the second queen. The moment he find this king find the first queen, he will say that yes, this is the queen that will attack me. He will search upside, he will search downside till the end of the matrix. He will search to the right side till the end of the matrix. He will search to the left side till the end of the matrix. He will search diagonally also, this in this direction and in this direction and in this direction and in this direction till the end of the matrix. Till the end of the matrix, he will check. Okay, so moment he will find out the first queen, for example, moment he will find out this king when checking in this way, then he find out the queen, first queen over here, immediately he will say that okay, he do not need to check other queen. He will say that okay, this queen will directly attack him, and he will check this side also diagonally and find out this queen, and he will say that yes, this queen will directly attack. He's checking just all the 8 directions. He's checking all the 8 directions, and the moment he find out the first queen, he will return that okay, this queen will attack him. And if some queen is not there, then he will reach to the end of the matrix. When we reach to the end of the matrix, we can say that okay, there is no queen in this direction. Okay, so total 8 directions are here. We need to just king need to check in all the 8 direction. One is this side, one is this side, two, and 2 and 2 4. One is this side, one this side, and 4 and 2 this side. One is this side, one is this side, 6, and one is up and down. So total 8 directions are here, and we can use it and we can solve the problem. Okay, Aridham is saying that, sir, in the foundation course, we said that you will cheat a in-depth playlist for DSA. You will create an in-depth playlist for DSA. Okay, I'm coming to your question, Arindam. Arindam, see, I do not lie anywhere. Let me tell you. Let me tell you what I say. Just give me a minute. Otherwise, Arindam will actually, he will try to kill me because he must be having this problem which we are discussing today. So he must be having this problem, and he want to take the revenge now. So try to try to give the answer. Okay, you just simply write DSA foundation course, iNeuron, iNeuron, neuron. If you will write this course in YouTube, you will find out this DSA foundation code. Its name is itself foundation. Okay, see, this is very nice course. This is free of cost and very nice course. Nobody is charging you anything. If you want to build the foundation with you, then this course can build your foundation. Okay, this course can build your foundation starting from time complexity analysis till the dynamic programming. Okay, so this will build your foundation. But if you want to master the DSA, then there is another course. You can go to the iNeuron.ai courses bootcamp DSA, and here is the course Mastering System Design and DSA. You can register for this course. This course is covering each and everything very detailed, very detailed. Okay, both system design and DSA. This will change your life. One thing is sure. This course is also good. DSA foundation course. This course is also good, but this is a baby course. You can say it's a magical baby course. Okay, DSA foundation course is a magical baby. This will build your solid foundation, and this will make you master. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, and this is okay. You need to pay some money over here, but this is free of cost. So if you can pay some money, then you can check out this one. Otherwise, you can check out this free course. Fine. Okay. I hope you understand what I was talking about. Now let's try to solve this problem. Let me take one more question from Nagendra, then we will move on. Why we will check till the end of the board? We can check only one step. If one step queen is available, it can attack. Nagendra, no. You don't know. You must not having any girlfriend. I'm sure about it. You don't have any girlfriend. That is sure. That is sure, Nagendra. I'm sure about it. So if your girlfriend is standing over here, See, your girlfriend is standing over here. She can attack from here itself. Till the end also she can attack. You don't know. You don't know this thing. Okay. If she is standing over here at this corner, she can attack. Queen can attack. Queen can attack horizontally, vertically, diagonally also, in both diagonal. Okay, in both diagonal actually that can attack. Okay, so please gain some experience and come back over here. Okay, so see, the reason here is that simple. The reason here is that, see, we need to check till the end, because it's not like one step queen can attack. Queen can attack from here. Let's suppose queen is standing over here, and if somebody is standing at the last over here, then queen can attack over here itself. Okay, this is how queen moves actually. Queens can move till the anywhere till the end, diagonally, both diagonally, horizontally and vertically. Okay, fine. Okay, and Saket Mandal is asking Nagendra Singh, there might be queens further ahead of distance 2 3 4. Yeah, okay, Saket, great, you are trying to reply the answer. That's great. If you are helping to each other, sir, I will go through with it, and it's really nice. Yes, you will find it nice. Fine, okay. Fine, okay. Let's try to solve it. Very easy problem. I'm very easy solution I'm giving to you. Please verify. Okay, you people, please verify that will work or not. Okay. Simple, the idea I have already given. Okay. Just this king will check in all the 8 direction till the end of the till the end. If he find out the first queen, fine. Okay. This will not check till the end then. This will not check because directly the queen which is directly attacking this king already find out. So no need to check for this. Just return from here itself. But in this case, he need to go till the end. Maybe the queen is standing at the last. By opening his hairs and watching you, do you understand? So by opening the means hairs and watching you, how you will feel. So you will die immediately from the distance also. Okay. So queen can attack from the last also. Queen can attack from the last also, from here also. So he need to check till the end of the matrix. This is how queen moves. Fine, okay. So let's code it very easy. Just check out the 8 direction till the end of the matrix. And if find out the queen, we will keep printing that queen or keep storing in the final result array. That's it. So let me try to do this. The same thing I will do. Same thing I will do in the coding part, nothing else. I will do the same thing. So let me go to my screen, coding screen. I have taken this problem from the LeetCode. You can also search by writing queens that can attack the king. Queens that can attack the king. You can check, write this, and you can solve this problem. I'm solving this problem at my end. I will solve it in 3 languages, C++, Java, and Python. This is what I'm doing in these 2 courses also. In this DSA Foundation course, free course, I'm doing the same thing, solving one problem in 3 languages, C++, Java, Python. And in DSA Master and System Design course also, I'm using 3 languages, C++, Java, Python. So let me now try to solve first of all in C++. Let's see. They provide us one matrix, 2D matrix. Okay, they provide us some 2D array matrix. Name is queen. Let me take one here now. Let me take the writing pen also, so that I can write whatever I'm talking. I can write, so that this become easy to understand for you people. Very easy. So let me open this open board, and going to this open board, and okay, saying it no, going to my coding screen. Now I have my pen tool with me. So this is really nice tool, open board, free tool. We always like the free things. Okay, so this is the free tool. Here what I will do now, here what we will do now, let me go upside. Here is our board. I'm taking the board. Okay, I need this board to show you what we are trying to do. Let me take another one, this one. Let me decrease the size little bit. Fine, okay, I think this is fine. Moving little bit this coding screen. Okay, fine. So they provide us this 2D array. Fine, this 2D array is provided to us. And they provide us one king array also. King is 1D array. Means they provide us where the king is. here is king is at this location. Okay, I'm writing the locations so that easily we can identify each and everything. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so he king is at 3 and 3. This is also an array of two elements, array of, you can say that, okay, that is a pair also. They just give it in the form of array. 3 and 3. Okay, coordinate index of the king is given in this king array, and all these queen positions are given in this queen array. Okay, what we can do is initially is we can take a blank 2D matrix. Okay, let me take a blank 2D matrix. Let me take a blank 2D matrix, a boolean 2D matrix actually, which will tell me, okay, where is queen is present, where queen is not present. Okay, let me take a grid of 8 by 8. This is a board of 8 by 8. So let me take a board of 8 by 8 and initialize it with the false. So just what I'm doing over here, nothing. I'm just initially I just take this empty board. This is empty, nothing is here. Okay, everywhere we store the false, 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 everywhere, everywhere false, everywhere you can feel it. Okay, so we store it for, in this statement I have done this thing, I have stored everywhere false, 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 false. Okay, fine, in everywhere actually, fine. Okay, now let me move to the next statement. Now what I will do, I will store the true wherever queen is present. So this information I want to convert in this matrix form. Actually, this matrix is just telling me where the queen is present. Okay, where the queen is present. This is not giving me just a complete matrix. Solving this problem in complete matrix very easy, will be very easy for me, because I can check all the locations in one direction. Then okay, let me do it, then you will be able to connect very easily. It's a not that much tough problem. It's not tough problem. Okay, let me fill the true wherever the queen is present. The position of queen I will take from this 2D array, and I will fill in this my empty array. Okay, initially this array is empty, and I have stored false everywhere, even at these places also. I have stored the false. At everywhere I have stored the false. Okay, at everywhere initially with this statement. Now I'm trying to store the true. Wherever the queen is there, I'm trying to store the true. So only where the queen is there, there I will store the true, so that I can identify where is the queen. Okay, so with this loop, let me try to store the true wherever the queen is present. Okay, fine. Okay, so let me pick one by one all the queens. First picking the queen from the queens array, picking the queens from the queens array, and storing it into my grid matrix. So see, I'm picking the starting coordinate of this queen. Okay, let me write it over here. I'm talking about this queen now. There is a queen whose coordinate is 0, 0. So I can access this coordinate as a queen 0 location, and this coordinate as a queen 1 location. Okay, I can access these two data from this array actually, and I will store there the true at that place, 0, 0. Okay, so let me put it over here. How we store the data in 2D array? Simple. I will write queen at 0 position, wherever that queen is. I don't know wherever that queen is. Okay, and in the column section also, queen at first position, whatever I get. So in the initial for this queen, actually for my this queen I will get 0, 0. For this queen, actually this will be 1, 1. This value will be 1, this value will be 1. And if I talking about, okay, this queen, the value will be 3 and 5. So this will be having 3 value, this will be having 5. So after going at 3 and 5, what I will store? True. Let me store the true at every queen. I have put it into the loop. So at for every queen, I'm picking all the queens one by one. This is how we can access the information from the array in C++. I will do the same in Java and Python also. But simply you just can note that, okay, I just stored true wherever the queen is present, wherever the queen is present. So by taking this information from this 2D array, okay, I store it in the form of grid. In this 8 by 8 grid, I'm storing everywhere false is there, only true is there where queen is present. Everywhere false is there and true is there, only their queen is present. Fine. Fine. Till now I had done this thing only. So let me erase it so that we can do other stuff also. So simply I store the true wherever the queen and false everywhere where we don't have the queen. That's it. After that, okay, I need to move it. This king need to move in 8 directions, either up, down, left, right, then diagonally. 4 direction of diagonal also. So let me write, okay, that can move right side, left side, right, left, up, down, and 4 diagonal directions will be there. Diagonal directions. Okay, diagonal, diagonal. Okay, 4 diagonals directions also there, like this and this. So let me create a direction array, and in that I will store the directions. So let me do that. I'm taking a direction array, 2D array, direction array, directions. This will tell me the directions. So this will tell me the direction. What are the direction? Okay, so first direction, I want to go right side. Okay, right side. So to go right side, see, whenever I'm writing 0 1, so this is row, this is column. Okay, so if I want to move to the right side, I need to write 1 in the column side. So let me write over here 0 1. In the row, I will not add anything. In the column, I will add 1. After that, okay, I want to go left side means okay, column will be subtracted, row will be same, column will be subtracted. So row is 0 itself, column is -1. Fine. Okay, next one is upside. I want to go upside means row is down. So let's suppose I'm at third row, and if I want to go upside, so that will be second row. Okay, so means 1 minus in the row. So -1 I have to write for row. Row is first row, then column we write. And column we are not changing. So writing 0. Fine. Okay. And if I want to go down, I will add in the row. I will add in the row 1. Okay. So this is the right, left, up, down I have written. After that, diagonals. And if I ask you what will be the location of this, the location of this is 3 comma 3, and the location is this is actually 4 comma 4. So I can add 1 1 to reach to this location. I can add 1 1. So let me add 1 1. Let me add one row, 1 column. And if I want to move at this queen here, this queen, so I will subtract 1 1, minus row and minus column. Done. And after that, okay, this side we have done, this side we have done, both side, this side and this side. Now this side and this side we need to do. So if we're talking about this side, okay, then row will be subtracted because we are in second row, and column will be incremented because column is incremented. Okay, column is next to this, so row will be subtracted. Let me write this thing also, this direction also, that is row will be subtracted. So -1, and column will be added, +1. Fine. Okay, last direction is left. Last is this one, this side. Here you can see row is increasing, row is from 3 to 4, and column is decreasing. Fine. Okay, so let me do that. Row is increasing, so +1, and column is decreasing, -1. Done with these are the all direction that can be possible. Let me take this pen over here, and you can see over here, that's it. So these are the all 8 direction which we will take. And let me take a resulting vector also. I need to return a resulting vector in which I will store the information about the queens which will directly attack me. Okay, so resulting vector I'm taking. resulting array or vector, whatever you can call. I'm taking that vector of vector. So I need to store the coordinate of them. Okay, that's why I'm taking vector of vector. So this is my resulting vector. We have taken the resulting vector in which we will store the index of the queens which will directly attack. So in this case, we have 3 queens actually. So 3 queens coordinate we will store. So 2D array we will be needing. Fine. Okay, till now done everything. Now let's check all the directions. King will start to check all the direction. So let me pick a loop over here and taking the direction one by one direction, and I'm picking this from this direction array one by one. I will pick first this direction, then this direction, then this direction. All 8 directions I will keep picking. So from the directions array I will keep picking. Any doubt here you can ask me, you can stop me anywhere, you can stop me anywhere. And meanwhile I'm moving on, I just pick one direction, I'm moving in one direction. Right now I'm moving to the right, so this king will keep moving to the right until this will not reach to the end, or this will not meet the first queen. Okay, so until unless he will not meet the first queen and or reach to the end of the matrix, this will keep moving. First of all, I'm taking the position of the king. The king position is in the king array. King array we are given already up here in the input. So I'm taking the king position. King position means the row number of the king in which the king is, and the column also. J equal to king 2, king 1. Zero based indexing is there, so king 1. Fine, okay. I just take the in which row and column king is present, and now I will check till the end of the grid. I will keep checking. Okay, if any queen he will find out or not. Okay, so until I is greater than equal to greater than equal to 0, so I should be until I is greater than equal to 0 and less than I is less than equal to less than equal to 7, you can say. Okay, less than equal to 7 you can say, or you can say less than 8, whatever you can write. So this is checking the boundary. Column wise also we need to check. J should be greater than equal to 0 and J should be less than equal to 7. This is the boundary. Both boundary, left side boundary, right side boundary, upside boundary, downside boundary. We are checking all the boundary until unless we don't reach to the boundary. Maybe we find out the queen in between. Maybe we find out the queen. If we find out the queen, then we will pick the queen and store it into the resulting array, and we will go back. We will say that okay, let's check out in other direction. So we just pick one direction and checking till the end of that, and we are checking if in the grid at I and j position, if I if I find true, okay, let me write. If I find true, then that means I find a queen. If we find a true, because we already stored true wherever the queen was present. So if I find the queen, I will store it into my resulting array. So in C++, we have pushback function to store the data, and I need to store the direction is I don't not direction, I need to store the index. So I find the queen at this position, so I store the index of the queen into my resulting array, and after that I will come out of this loop. I will make a break, and I will come out of this loop, and then I will check for the another direction. One more thing I need to do: every time I will keep moving till the right side till I'm not reaching to the end. Okay, if I find the queen, I will make a break and I will come out of this loop. But if I don't find the queen, then I will increment my I and j. Okay, let me increment the I and j with the starting position. I will increment I and j. That's it. Okay, let me increment the I and j. So what I am incrementing over here, What I'm incrementing? Nothing. I'm just adding the direction. I'm just adding the direction. I pick the direction. So initially direction is 0, 1. So I will keep moving in this direction. I will keep adding 0 in the row and 1 in the column. So what will happen? I will keep moving to the right side. I will keep moving to the right side. I'm not changing the row because every time I'm adding the 0, I'm adding the 0 in the I and adding the 1 in the column. So I will keep moving to the right side. So in this case, I will keep moving to the left side. I'm not changing the row. I'm just changing the column to the left side. I'm moving, subtracting 1, 1, 1. So keep doing this thing. And after coming out of this loop now, we can return our resulting array. Done. Done. Let me return the resulting array. Done. We finish it. Done. We're done with it. Let me try to submit this code and check out. Okay, is this is working fine or not? There's some error over here. Let's see that. If some error occur in the exam also, don't need to worry at all. Just check out, and even examiner can also help you. If syntax error is occurring, that will definitely help you. Otherwise, you can check first of all yourself. Okay, in the state line number 15, we in the line number 15 actually we to use the 2D array, one arrow, one angle braces was missing, and this, and in 27, yeah, this is the only problem I think. Let me submit it. Yeah, it's working very fine. It's working very fine. Okay, this code is working very fine. You can tell me if there is any doubt in this. Any doubt in this, please let me know. Otherwise, very simple idea. Very simple idea. The idea is simple that we are moving from the king. We are moving in all the 8 directions. If we find the queen, we will break and check out the next direction. We will come out of this internal loop, and otherwise we will keep moving till the end of the matrix. We will keep moving, and when we reach the end, we will come out, and we will keep picking the next direction. So this is one solution in C++. Okay, I shared in the C++. Saket is asking in the Java. Let me share in Java and Python also. Meanwhile, other people can tell me this, how much time this will take. What is the time complexity for this code? You can let me know what is the time complexity for this code. Please let me know. Okay. And I'm going over here. I'm going to the Java code now. So here is the Java code. Same thing is happening. See over here, I take a grid, empty grid. I store the true wherever the queen is present. Wherever the queen is present, we store the true over there to identify the queens. Same thing. We define a 2D array which is having the direction, all the 8 directions. Fine. We have a resulting array also, in which this resulting array having the index of the direct queens, the queens which are directly attacking. Fine. After that, we are checking all the directions, 8 directions we have. We find out the king position, and we are checking till the end of the matrix. We are checking till the end of the matrix. If we reach to the, if we find the queen in between, then we will store this position into our resulting array. We will store the position of the queen, that queen, into the resulting array, and we will come out and check out the next direction. We start moving to the next. Moment we find out the first queen, the moment we find out the first queen, we will not move in that direction anymore. We will come out of this loop and pick the another direction. Otherwise, we will keep moving in the same direction with the help of these 2 statements. Done. And after that, we return the result. Done with it. Okay, I'm now sharing the Python code also. Any doubt here, please ask me. Any doubt? Same thing. Actually, for DSA, language is not a big concern. Logic building is more important. That is the learning part in DSA. But still, okay, we need to practice in one language. You can pick any one. So this is the 8 by 8 grid we have taken. Store the false initially everywhere. We store the true wherever the queen should be there. We store true wherever the queen, so that we can identify the queens. We have a list of list which is having the directions, 8 directions we have. We have a resulting list with us. We are checking in all the directions. First pick the first direction. find out the king location. From that location, we start finding, do we find the queen? If we find the queen, we come out and we check out the other direction. Otherwise, we will keep moving in that direction. Same direction, I will keep adding 0 1 0 1, or 1 0, whatever is the direction, I will keep adding that. I will keep moving in one direction with the help of these two statements. And after coming out of this for loop, we will return our result array. Done. Done with it. And Saket is also right. What is the time complexity? Constant. Constant time complexity. Why constant? Although loops are here, although loop is here, loop inside loop is here, but this matrix size is fixed actually. The matrix size is 8 by 8. And what you are doing, you're picking one direction. What you can do maximum, you can pick one direction and you can move till the end. You can pick another direction, move till the end. So how many elements you can access? See, you can access these 8 elements. 8 these elements you can access. 8 these elements you might can verify. And maximum these elements you can verify. So how many? 1 2 3 4 4 8 into 4, 32 elements you need to check. So 32 is constant. You can write it as a constant. The time complexity is constant over here. Okay, the time complexity is, even the space complexity is also constant because the array size is 8 by 8. So space complexity is also constant over here. If you don't know how to find the space complexity and time complexity, take this free course. Who's stopping you? Who's stopping you to take this free course? This here I'm covering space and time complexity. Why are you not taking this course? This is free course. You can take it. Okay, you can take this course and you can learn the time and space complexity, how to find that. Although I have covered in very much detail over here, but still, okay, you can take it. This will, you will find worthy to invest your time over here. If you don't know the time complexity, go over here, learn. Fine, okay. So that's it for this problem. That's it. If any doubt, you can let me know. Any doubt over here, let me know. Otherwise write +1, please. Otherwise write +1 if you are able to understand. If you are able to understand, please write +1. Or write, otherwise I ask the doubt if you are having the doubt. We solve one man company problem over here. It's not very difficult. If you will stay with me in every sessions, then what will happen? Let me tell you let me tell you the truth, the game of our mind. What will happen? Initially, this mind will say that, okay, these are man company problem. We cannot do them. We cannot do them. But if we will keep doing it, this is 21 day series. If you will keep doing this with me on every live class, then this brain will start telling you that this is common. This is common to solve this type of problem from this product-based company. And after 21 days, I'm not saying you will be able to crack the product-based company, but you will get the confidence. Yes, I can do this. I just need to put little more hard work and I can make it. I can change my life. Okay, that confidence at least you will get after this series. Fine, okay. That's it for today. So this is the end of the matrices. If you want the practice questions from the matrix practice questions, then you can get it by registering this free course. Go in the description, register for this free course, and you will get all the free material like practice question, PPT, and all the video lecture previous and future coming. And you will also get certificate if you will complete all the video lectures. Fine, okay, that's it for today from my side. If you are able to understand, please write +1. And if you are like this session, please give a thumbs up. That really motivate us, and that should reach to maximum student. That is the only thing we want, that okay, the session should reach to maximum student. If you will give thumbs up, that will really help. Otherwise, that's it for today. Bye bye, take care. Nice to spend time with you people. Bye bye, take care. I'm ending this session now. Bye bye. So Sapra like it. Nagendra, thanks. Bye bye, Saket. Bye bye, Karthik. Karthik, nice, is very nice. Arindam was also here. Fine, okay. Bye bye everyone. Good night. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.